Add depth and dimension to your project by serging over cording or yarn with the cording foot. Select a 3-thread roll hem stitch. Remove the right needle. Check with the machine manual and foot instructions to select the proper stitch type. For a fun option, use a decorative thread in the upper looper. As a general guide, select a short stitch length and a wide stitch width. Thread the cording through the guide hole and the groove under the foot. Position the fabric under the foot and cording. Stitch slowly, holding the cord loosely. Continue stitching to the fabric edge and cut off the excess cording.